Hi friends, this video shows how to reset network settings and fix all network related issues. First go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, then go down, then select general management. Select general management, then go down, then tap on reset. Then tap on reset network settings. So here you can see this will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. Tap on reset settings, then again tap on reset. You can see network settings reset. So this way we can reset network settings and fix all network related issues. Okay, so please try it if you are facing any network related issues.